All right, this is what I did. Come over here. I took my original wire stripper right here and married it to this little wire stripper right here. And what I had to do was, in order to make this work, so I could strip this waveguide right here, because this went in here, then I'd take this out and add little spacers here, and then here, because they didn't have the right size bolts for it, and then bring it all the way up. And I made my own shaft, keyed my own key, and cut my own key from stock that you can buy from a store. And I'm going to show you how this works right here. And it does work, because you can tell I've already stripped all this. All right, let's take some of this. We'll just cut like 3 pieces so you can see how it works. And this is still a pretty long piece right here. Cuts it like butter. And that's it.